Alright, I got here a 2025 Toyota Crown. I think it's like the newer Avalon type. Customer complaint is I think it doesn't shift out of park. They also told me the battery's gonna be dead. And one guy said it starts and one guy said it doesn't start, so I'm not sure if it starts or not. Oh boy. Okay, so oh, it is a hybrid. So it means the battery's gonna be in the trunk. What is that? Big dead bug. Alright, let's go see. I gotta boost it from the front.
Does it have the...
I don't see a stick. I think it's usually right here. It's missing.
Right.
Yeah, I'll lower it down onto this. Perfect. Now let's see if it starts. Okay, so it starts. It says ready. It's working. Power on. Actually, it's stalled. This seat's too high. Hold on. 12-volt battery charging system malfunction. I think we just need a battery first. Seat doesn't move either. It says hybrid system malfunction. Vehicle must be, okay, it's stalled when I did that. Now let's see what the codes are. Oh, this is so annoying. You know, I have no power here. I for sure have a blown main fuse. That's for sure the issue. That's why I can't shift either. Let's shut the car and see. See if I can see anything. I'm gonna turn this off so the battery is pretty much dead. Let's see, does this just pull out? That would be amazing. If they took a lesson from Honda, instead of pulling apart the whole box. Just need a pliers. What's this? Alright. Nah, I think it's bolted on the bottom. Alright, but let me see if I can see if any of them are blown. Let me get a stick to hold this up. Let's see if I have a jack. Alright, that's the best I could do. I don't need no. Thank you. Alright, he found me some sort of stick. But I really can't tell if this is blown or not. And usually I just go straight to the alternator, but there's no alternator on this because it's a DC to DC converter. Alright, I gotta get a diagram and we'll see. Maybe I just have no power down there. Maybe it's not a blown main fuse. I'm gonna get my booster pack back on. Okay. Nope, not on good. There we go, now I'm on. Okay. So I got no power over here. Let's go look up a diagram for this car. Oh, so the horn works. Okay. Okay, let's go to diagrams. Let's just go see where that thing gets power from. The OBD port. So go to information bus. From the ECU B2 fuse, power distribution box assembly, left end of dash, ECU B2 fuse, and that should be hot at all times. So let's see if that's hot. Check for it. Oh, they have this out, so they're already hoping. Oh, it's right here. All right, ECU B2. Number 3, 10 amp fuse, right? Yep. So it's the middle row, 1, 2. There's a blank. So it's 3 on top of the blank in the middle row. One thing, I really love the Welding Junkies test light. The only thing I have is it needs the cord from the OTC, the curly cord, and I don't know, I lost mine, so I have to get another one and cut off the end to put a banana jack. Alright, let's see if we have power to any of these. So blank, it's the third one up, and I have power. Unless it's this one? Which way is it? Hold on. Yeah, so I have power. Okay. So how come my scan tool is not turning on? Nothing's bent. It's screwed on. Oh wait, there's aftermarket or something. Now, let me get this off this panel. Okay, so it doesn't look aftermarket. So what's happening? How come I have no power? Let me get my breakout box. Yeah, I got nothing here. Let me see. So pin 16, I should have a power. And I don't. Let's get a diagram. Okay, there's two junctions. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. I jumped the gun. Where is the... I jumped the gun. The battery comes from the OBD fuse. OBD, 7.5 amp. And we got no power on it. Alright, so follow that back. So the OBD fuse is hot at all times. Let's go to a power distribution diagram, see where that gets power from. Power. It gotta be a blown main fuse or one of those. It just feels like it, the way nothing works inside. Not nothing, but a lot of things here. OB... No. OBD fuse, right here. Okay. So that comes from tail relay diagram from T on 6 of 8. So let's go to 6 of 8 to T. T right here. So this all has to be power the whole time. And so those come off that relay. That's the ignition relay. But this relay right here, oh, it comes from right here. From engine room, diagram 1 of 8 on C. That makes sense. We're getting up to the main fuse. C. C right here. And it comes from, what's the 1 and 2? Oh, just different amperage of fuse. Yeah, from the main. It goes from one of these fuses right here. DC to DC fuse 120. And then, sorry, I'm sweating a lot and it's dripping on the screen and it's messing everything up. And it comes from the DC to DC fuse. Like the fuse gotta be blown. Just can't see it, that's the problem. They make it really difficult to see. DC to DC 150, it's 5 amp. Let's see. You know, I'm gonna pull these out. Or at least this one. There you go, it's blown right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The main fuse is blown, just like I expected in the first half a minute of the video. But I went a little wild goose chase because I read the diagram wrong. But it happens. All right, thanks for watching.